Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. Today we're going to see a very small, very interesting feature which could change the way we work with our 5-axis toolpaths. I have a toolpath here which is morphed between two curves, and the geometry that I've selected are these three faces with these islands in between. And I have the upper curve which is comprising of these three segments, and I have the lower curve which is comprising again of the three segments below. But you can see that we have two curves, one is short and the other curve is long. Now this is very common in regular work when you do paths, and I have 10 flattened ball nose tool here. Okay, let's save this and calculate the toolpath. Let's look at the result. You can see what happens here to the end, where the curve is short. The upper curve is shorter than the bottom curve. You can see the toolpath tending to go upwards towards the shorter curve, and as it comes down to the long curve, it becomes straight. To fix this, we generally had to extend the surface manually and then create the toolpath. But this is now a thing of past. With the new version of SolidCAM, we have an option called Extend Edge Curve. Select that and let's hit the calculate button. And we have got a very nice toolpath where we don't need to do any kind of extension of the original surfaces. The toolpath follows exactly the curve as if it was extended till the end of the second curve, and then generates a toolpath. A very interesting and a very nice feature released with the newer version of SolidCAM. Thank you very much.